What's the meaning of clock watcher? Clock watcher. Clock watcher.
Clock watcher. Clock watcher. A clock watcher is a term used to describe someone who is overly focused on the time and is often looking at the clock in anticipation of the end of their shift or workday. This term is typically used to describe employees who lack motivation and are only concerned with completing their required hours, rather than doing their job to the best of their ability. Clock watchers tend to create a negative workplace environment, as they can bring down the morale of their coworkers who are more dedicated to their work and take pride in their contributions to the company.